Welcome back to Tools Inspector, where Amazon's best car gadgets are just a click away. Number 1. Hizpo 12.3-inch Digital Dash Instrument Cluster. Imagine stepping into your Jeep and seeing a massive modern digital dashboard instead of the old boring gauges. The Hizpo 12.3-inch digital cluster transforms the interior of your Jeep Wrangler JK with a sleek high-resolution display that shows speed, RPM, fuel data, and driving information in a futuristic interface. It makes your dashboard look like a luxury SUV while keeping all important vehicle stats right in front of you. Number 2. TREKURE 8-in-1 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Nothing ruins a trip faster than a dead battery or a flat tire, but this powerful 8-in-1 jump starter solves both problems. With a massive 6,000 AP current, it can jumpstart almost any gas engine or up to a 10L diesel engine in seconds. It also includes a built-in air compressor capable of inflating tires up to 150 psi, making it perfect for emergencies. On top of that, it works as a power bank, flashlight, and emergency tool all in one compact device. Number 3. Utopicar Blind Spot Convex Mirrors. Blind spots are one of the biggest dangers while driving, but these small mirrors solve that problem instantly. The Utopicar convex mirrors attach to your side mirrors and expand your viewing angle dramatically. That means you can clearly see vehicles hiding in your blind spot when changing lanes or merging into traffic. They're fully adjustable, so you can angle them exactly where you need visibility. Number 4. 15-inch Panoramic Rear View Mirror. Your factory rear view mirror only shows a limited view behind the car, but this 15-inch panoramic mirror changes everything. It clips over your existing mirror and expands your rear visibility with a wide-angle design. You'll be able to see more lanes, more traffic, and even passengers in the back seat. It's especially useful for SUVs, trucks, and family cars where visibility can be limited. Once you try a panoramic mirror like this, going back to a normal mirror feels impossible. Number 5. Sunjoe SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer. Keeping your car clean no longer requires expensive car washes when you have the Sunjoe SPX 3000. This powerful electric pressure washer delivers up to 2,500 psi of cleaning power to blast away dirt, mud, and grime. It's perfect for washing cars, driveways, patios, decks, and even outdoor furniture. Despite the power, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around your home. If you love a spotless car, this tool can save you time and money every week. Number 6. Car Paint Coating Thickness Meter. Buying a used car can be risky, but this gadget helps reveal the truth about the vehicle's history. The coating thickness meter measures the thickness of the car's paint to detect repainted panels or accident repairs. Dealers and professionals use tools like this to check if a car still has its original factory paint. Within seconds, you can identify hidden bodywork that sellers might not mention. For anyone buying used cars, this is a powerful inspection tool. Number 7. ComfiLife Gel and Memory Foam Seat Cushion. Long drives can quickly become uncomfortable, especially if your car seat lacks support. The ComfiLife seat cushion combines gel and memory foam to reduce pressure on your back and tailbone. It's designed to improve posture and relieve pain caused by long hours of sitting. The cushion fits perfectly on car seats and office chairs, making it useful both on the road and at work. Number 8. Flat tires can happen anytime, and searching for a gas station pump isn't always convenient. The LASFIT CR1 Pro portable inflator lets you inflate tires anywhere with impressive speed. It includes a digital pressure gauge and an auto-stop function that prevents overinflation. Just set your desired pressure, and the device does the rest. It's compact enough to store in your trunk, but powerful enough for SUVs and motorcycles. Number 9. ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 Heavy. If you want even more power, the ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 takes portable inflation to another level. With dual cylinders and a massive battery capacity, it can inflate tires faster and handle heavy-duty vehicles with ease. It's cordless, durable, and built for demanding situations where standard inflators struggle. Whether it's a car, bike, or inflatable equipment, this tool can handle it all. It's like carrying a mini air compressor in your trunk. Number 10. Hortsun USB Star Projector Lights. Driving at night can become a whole new experience with these star projector lights. Simply plug them into your car's USB port and watch your car roof transform into a moving starry sky. The adjustable projector lets you control the pattern and brightness to create a relaxing atmosphere. It's perfect for night drives, road trips, or even just adding a unique vibe to your car interior. Number 11. JOIROM Bluetooth 5.4 FM Transmitter. Older cars often lack Bluetooth, but this gadget fixes that instantly. The JOIROM Bluetooth FM transmitter connects to your phone and streams music directly to your car's radio. It also features fast charging ports delivering up to 81W for your devices. Dual microphones improve call quality, so hands-free calls sound clear even while driving. It's an easy way to upgrade an old car with modern connectivity. Number 12. Incel AD310 OBD2 Scanner. When your check engine light turns on, most people immediately visit a mechanic. But this simple scanner can tell you the problem instantly. The Incel AD310 plugs into your car's OBD2 port and reads engine fault codes within seconds. It can also clear error codes after repairs, saving you diagnostic costs. The tool works with most vehicles built after 1996. For car owners who like to understand their vehicle, this is a must-have gadget. Number 13. Incel BST 500 Battery Tester. A weak battery can leave you stranded without warning, but this tester helps prevent that. The Incel BST 500 analyzes battery health, cranking performance, and charging systems with high accuracy. It even includes a printer to generate test results instantly. Mechanics use tools like this to diagnose battery problems quickly. Having one means you can check your battery anytime before problems start. Number 14. Fonder Tablet Headrest Mount. Long road trips with kids can quickly become chaotic, but this simple gadget keeps passengers entertained. The Fonder headrest mount holds tablets securely between the front seats. Kids in the back can watch movies, play games, or stream shows without holding the device. The mount is adjustable and fits most tablets from 7 to 12.9 inches. It's a small accessory that makes family trips much smoother. Number 15. 360 degrees rotating steering wheel car desk. Sometimes you need to work, eat, or use a laptop while parked, and this car desk makes it possible. The tray attaches to your steering wheel and provides a stable surface for food, laptops, or notebooks. Its 360-degree rotating design and wooden build give it a premium feel. Whether you're on a road trip, waiting in your car, or working remotely, this gadget turns your vehicle into a mini workstation. It's surprisingly useful once you start using it. If you enjoyed these smart car gadgets, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Tools Inspector, and turn on notifications for more awesome